If you're bored and you want a quick video, you can zoom. I don't know if this is coming. My YouTube channel, and if anyway, welcome to my channel. So I did a first video unboxing the package that I received, and then I promised to do a review of what I received. So I'm doing the makeup review now. I'm not gonna apply any makeup on my face because it's already evening and I have washed my face and applied all the products that I need before sleep. So I will only review, and because I already said what it is, but maybe if you're bored and you want a quick video, like 6 minutes video, this is for you. So you can zoom. I don't know if this is coming like this, the other way, like a mirror. So this is Black Opal True Color how do you read it? Power Perfecting Liquid Foundation. The color is 340. That is True Topaz. Yeah, and the package is very, very nice. And I mentioned on my earlier video that Black Opal, they don't ship in Finland, so I hope they can start shipping here in Finland because I like their product so much. So this is how it looks, and it's 30 ml. It's quite much and it goes a long way. So, and I also got also Truly Topaz Skin Perfecting Skin Foundation. So this is stick foundation and this is liquid foundation, and it's also, this is, yeah, it's, yeah, let me open because I promised to do the review, so I do the opening. Yeah, I've been using before and I bought a wrong color, and this looks perfect for me. Of course there's lighting, so it looks very like pale, but I know it's good for me. And also I received Flawless Concealer. This is this some number 10, yeah. So this is Flawless Concealer Black Opal, and this is for all over. You don't need to apply only on the spots, you can apply all over the face. Yeah, so yeah, it is. And yeah, each package comes in 2, and here is the True Color Soft Velvet Finishing Powder. Yeah, it is. So that's all for the makeup. This is a very short video. And also I wanted to mention that there were some people who wrote to me that, oh, you speak English and you mix with Swahili. There's some people who don't understand Swahili, so I want to keep it English as much as I can. Yeah, because I don't want to disappoint people, and I know, of course, all Kenyans speak English, so I mean, yeah, so it's much more advantage. It's for the best of everybody, because before I got, like, I have so many fans from Kenya and from Tanzania, but I have some from the US and from Europe, so I think it's better I keep it in English. But when I mix in Swahili, because sometimes I get overwhelmed and I'm here speaking Swahili, so I will explain what I meant, or I will say this is for this. I have mixed it also Swahili language. But anyway, that's all for today, and forgive my skin. I don't want to put any makeup. I'm going to bed soon. Yeah, and please don't forget to watch my other video, and after this video I'm gonna do the chocolate review video. Bye.